Hello anatomy students! This video is for week 2 and it's going to just give you some general information about what the assignments are, where you can find the assignments. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen right now. And let me go into our classroom. Okay, so here's first period, and you're going to see that the materials, which details and outlines everything for the week, is showing up as a gray icon, and that's because it's scheduled to go out tomorrow at 8:05. So I'm recording this right now on Tuesday at 3:28 p.m. and these assignments haven't been released yet, so they're not going to show up on your classwork or in your stream area on Google Classroom until Wednesday at 8:05 a.m. April 1st. Okay, so anyhow, for this week, excuse me, we're covering the cardiovascular system, and this bookmark area, if you remember from the video last week, is going to tell you what the content is, where to find the content, what it is, if it's a video or if it's an article, and then it'll also have information on what the assignments are. So here are the assignments. And then I'm also trying to include the links, but you could also log into Khan Academy, and then these will be assigned to you. Okay, so the lesson is to watch the video, which is 10 minutes, and then there's another part, the details outline the flow through the heart, and that's 7 minutes, and then another video of 12 minutes, and then an article, the heart is a double pump. And then your assignments, there's only 2 of them this week. You're going to be labeling the heart, and the other assignment is a fill in the blank. So you'll work through these first. You'll want to take notes as you go through them, because then when it's time to complete these assignments, it should make it easier to complete because you have your notes right with you. So I've given each of you a copy of this, so you should not have to make a copy. You can just go in there and start adding your labels right away. And then slide 1 is a labeling of the internal parts, slide 2 is a labeling of the external parts, and I went ahead and filled in some of them, and the only ones you're filling in are the ones that are numbered, and the ones that are numbered and are blank. So 1 through 5 there, and then I can click on the fill in the blank also just to show you what that looks like. And make sure you're using your notes as you go through it. And then if I did fill in some of the blanks that didn't come up in the video, just like alternate terms or different ways to refer to some of these terms. So that's why it might be underlined, and that's because I kind of filled it in for you because I didn't want you to be confused. Okay, remember we're going from Wednesday to Wednesday on due dates, so you'll get this on April 1st, and then it'll be due on April 8th. Reach out to me if you have questions. I'm always available via email. I did start my office hours today. Nobody joined, and that's okay. They're not mandatory, but if you feel like you just want to see some of your classmates, feel free to join those. Those are going to be on every Tuesday from 10 to 10:40 a.m. on Zoom. So I'll try to remember to just post those into Google Classroom as an announcement, but the schedule is also on my class website. And if for some reason, because I really haven't had a lot of students join those, so if for some reason you can't make that time, you could join my biology office hours, which are about an hour later if you really needed to. I think that would be okay, because we haven't had too many students join. So, okay, stay in touch, stay safe, miss you guys, bye.